What's up, everybody? Welcome to Lucky Laptop News. Here's Veterans Park. There's the plane. There's supposed to be some more tornado damage in through town, so I'm gonna just kind of drive through, or my lady's driving through, and I'm gonna record what I can see. And there's the old caboose. It's still standing. I don't know if you can see it up there or not. Old log cabin. Wayside Park. This place has, for a small town, they got way too many parks.
Yeah.
They really do. Yeah, there's a caboose up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm gonna just wait until. Yeah, you can barely see it up on the hillside. There's a bunch of trees down right there. And then we're going a little fast where we are on the highway. Yeah. They fixed it, it looks like. There's a tree now. Oh, right there it is. Right there it is. That's the pavilion that got taken out. You gonna do a turnaround?
Yep.
You go back around? Okay, cool. Bunch of debris down over there. That awning got kind of messed up right there. That onion is just completely gone. You can actually watch that one on Facebook being blown away. It blew away. Go back down that same road where I can get the train again, okay?
Okay.
You can see that there's a tree down on that old house right there. And again, there's more of the trees down over here. Right there. You what?
That would have sucked.
Oh yeah. They got some kind of truck over there with a tower. Do you see that, babe?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'm gonna get the train piece of pulling that way too, okay, babe? I'm trying to get that truck. And there's a truck down there with some kind of tower and a satellite dish on it. There's trees down there by it. There's the train, everybody. There's any damage up here or not.
No, most of the damage was on the other side of the road for the most part.
Okay, we can go and turn around, I guess. Well, this road goes through, doesn't it? Okay, hey, look, the pool's open. You don't want to go to the pool. Rivers are better than pool. River's better than a pool. Alright, everybody. Until next time, this is Lucky Laptop News signing off. Peace out. Be safe. Do not be a GoBot. And if you don't be safe, you might end up in a place like that, where everybody is just chilled. About the best way to put it. I'm going to get the old graves. That is pretty cool. The old cemetery.
Yep.
But anyway, everybody, peace out. Don't be a GoBot. Till next time. Be safe.